Welcome back, and now news from sports. It's a happy homecoming for former Ranji Skipper Sagun Kamat. The fit-again left-hander is overjoyed that he will again sport the SALGAOCAR greens in this edition's GPL. Sagun told Prudent he was confident he would be auctioned for a high price in GCA's recently held auction for the Goa Professional League 3, even though he was away from cricket owing to his rare injury of shin splints. Sagun was snapped up by SALGAOCAR Sports Club for this year's highest price of 3,05,000 rupees.
Sagun Kamat has built a reputation of being a ferocious T20 player over the years. The southpaw also enhanced it by being a force to reckon with in the longer format in last season's GPL 3 days, after he masterminded Goa Sports Academy's victory in the GPL 3 days. Having played most of his club cricket for SALGAOCAR, Sagun is now happy to be back with the Vasco-based club. Sagun was the most expensive player at the recent auctions.
Did you expect he would be the best player, best pick in the auction?
I did expect this, but never expected to be with where I wanted always to be in SALGAOCAR. But things went very well for me. Last year I did well in the GPL 3 days, 1 days, and even 2020. Got the highest runs last year, GPL 2020, and the Ranji Trophy season also went well, and so did Mohinadullah. And then came the injury part. I was expecting this prize to be very good for me, and things went as I wanted to. It's just a matter of time now when I get back to SALGAOCAR, where I always loved to play. I played almost 7 years for SALGAOCAR. It's an honor to be with them again. I almost lost it last year because Shadab was leading the side and they could only pick 2 players, and I'm very happy to be with them again.
And any plan of how you plan to approach that, because you're a T20 specialist, they've looked at that part also, but you've done also well in the 3 days. So any plan, because there might be some kind of a pressure on you, or you feel completely no pressure at all on your back?
It's very good to have a pressure, because it makes you a better player. And I always believed whenever you have the responsibility, whenever you want to do well, it's up to the responsibility what takes you ahead of others. And I always wanted responsibility. I always done well for SALGAOCAR. Hopefully things will go right, and hopefully I will do well again for SALGAOCAR this year.
Okay. Will you be skippering the side?
I don't know, as I haven't spoken to Prabjit Sandhu, who is the manager of the team. Hopefully, if I'm given the honor, I would definitely take it.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fadari from Porvorim.
This season's I-League has generated tremendous interest amongst the football fans, although there is no improvement in the number of people attending the matches at the stadia. But the close competition in the league makes for compelling following. The final stage, beginning in the last week of March, will see as many as 8 teams in the title race. Let us enjoy some of the best goals from the recent matches.
Wickham Dempo now. Ball played into the penalty area. The opportunity is in off the underside of the bar. Curled it in with the instep. Pramod nowhere. Forcibly. There is the support. The ball does come in a duffer with the early goal. Cut in on the left. Measured it well, flicked off at Para. Just starting to regain their composure now, Mohan Bagan. Ball comes in, a duffer! A duffer! Yeah, Kaiter forward. Kaiter's header, Kaiter's goal! Any better headers than that one? What an absolute peach!
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of our news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.